Hi all, Lisa here again, filming another unboxing video for Mind the Scrap. This one is the May kit and it arrived today. Today's Saturday. I was very happy to see the man who drops it off from my Hermes. So yeah, here it is in my little box. I have opened it to have a sneaky peeky, but not too much, so I'm going to go through it with you and see what we've got. As usual, I've had the main kit, the main scrapbooking kit, and the embellishment kit. There's also a mixed media kit available, but I haven't had that. I don't usually have the mixed media kits because I have a lot of mixed media stuff myself already. So I'm going to look at the main scrapbooking kit first. So as ever with the main scrap kits, you get some double-sided papers, but you also get card. So let's start with the cardstock. Just move those bits out of the way. Okay. So we've got a black and a white, as usual. I can't tell you how good the quality is of the, especially of the white from Mind the Scrap. The black's lovely as well. And then we've got this lovely soft yellow. There's a bit of a shadow today. It's quite the evening when I'm filming this, so apologies for the lighting. This is called, let's have a look, see if you can see that. Oh, it's upside down. Oh dear. Right, that is called cornmeal. You can see it's the one with the dots on, so little raised dots on one side. Very slight dots on the other side. Loving that. Cornmeal, what a lovely colour. Okay, so that's cardstock. And then we're into the papers. So, oh, I'm liking this one. This is in Simple Stories. It's called Bliss 3x4 Elements. And these are really nice. So we've got, enjoy the little things. I love this colour. There's a car, isn't there? That a little car that I see about. That's is it Fiat 500? That's that sort of colour. That O'Donnell. I love it. Dance in the Rain. Be the Good. I love that one. Really like that one. Focus on what's important. These are this way up. Total Bliss. Oh, Happy Day and a big ampersand. Fab. Loving the colours and the back. Oh, I just adore this. They're such great flowers. Fantastic. Yeah, loving that. So that's the first one. The next one is this one, which is from Heidi Swap. Pineapple Crush, and it's called Palm Beach. Yeah, you can see why, can't you? Fantastic palm leaves, sort of watercoloured. And then on the back, a lovely stripe. That's black and white, and it's sort of a painted stripe, so it's a little bit imperfect. I'm loving the strip as well at the bottom, so you've got an extra little bit there. You can just see how well those go together. Fantastic. Liking that. And then we've got this one. Someone on the, when Emma was doing the reveal for this, she said someone had said this looked like amoebas, and I can kind of see it. It does look like those sort of biology cells that you see. But actually, when you look up close, it's teeny tiny roses. Really pretty. It's upside down. This is called, it's by Early Bird by Bo Bunny. Back to Backs? No, that must be the name of the sorry, is it on this side? Oh, there we go. 12-inch Early Bird Wilds, that's called. So that's the one side with these lovely flowers. I think this must be the A side. And this is lots of little circles, well, circles and icons. I love that there's some of the birds in there. And you can see that. And there's teacups. Fantastic. And that rose again, but in an aqua colour. Yeah, liking that. Oh, and look at this one. How fantastic is that? A flock of flamingos. It's called Flamingo. Brilliant. Heidi Swap. Pineapple Crush again, and it's called Flamingo. What a great name. And it's that lovely colour again in the background. Pale green. And flamingos all over it. And then the back is this lovely spot. That's fantastic. Loving that one as well. These colours are going so well together. And then there's this one. Okay, that's meant to be this side, I think. That's pink Paisley. Ooh, sorry, find that hard to pick up. There we go. Hope see that, pink paisley, Auburn Lane number 7. And it's all tiny little, tiny little triangles. Just calling out for some nice geometric shapes to be cut out of that. And then on the back there's this lovely stripe in a couple of different pinks. Actually, I'm going to put it that way. And then this final one. Now this is the one, again, when Emma did the reveal, she said it's meant to be this way up because that's the branding strip across the top. Simple Stories, I am living vibrantly. But actually it does look so much better the other way up because it looks like little raindrops coming out of multicoloured clouds. Fantastic that is. And then on the back of that is a ledger paper in pink, which is really lovely. So there we go. That's our papers for this month. Loving those, loving the green and the pink together. That sort of O'Donnell pale bluey green colour. Okay, and then we've got the embellishments that go with it. So the first of all, the thickers, the alphabet. This is called Charming. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a 3D effect, but a little bit distressed. Well, the letters are slightly different. So, a lovely full set of those. Fantastic. Then we've got this from Heidi Swap, which is clear stickers, 17 clear stickers. You see those? All in black and white and grey. Kind of liking those. I think that Flamingo's going to look fantastic. You can just see how this is going to look great with the pink and the grey together. Liking that. Then we've got this by Pink Paisley, Auburn Lane, 48 embellishments, and there's different things in here. So there's these rose golds. I feel really solid actually. Rose gold paper clips. And there's all these pinks and golds in sequins. And then on the top there's some little strips of enamel dots and enamel hearts. I'm liking those. I'm still not getting to grips really with sequins. I've still got the pack left from last month, but I'm determined to get to grips with sequins this one. And then finally, yay, Bramble Fox. Everybody loves a bit of Bramble Fox on that lovely card. I've used one of these on one of my layouts. And this is Perspex, but I don't know if you can see it. The zigzaggy one is in 2 halves, and this, I don't know if you can pick it up there. It's sort of there's a, how can I put it, an outline and then the centre. So actually, take it out of the packet. So when you use it, there's can you see? There's like a negative and a positive. That's going to be fantastic. Really liking that. So that's the main kit, and then on top of that, let's just put these onto one side. On top of that there is the embellishment kit, which I've had as an extra in its own little bag. Okay, and what we've got here is some more Bramble Fox goodies. So these are Petite Perspectives, and there's a vinyl layer that you have to peel off. There's a glossy surface underneath. I'm just going to try not to mess up that sticker. I'm a bit sad with stickers. I'll have to re-stick them onto things. Nice little glassine bag as well, actually. You never know. These things are useful, aren't they? Certainly when you're doing layers, a little glassine envelope is really useful. Oh, is that coming off? Yeah, it is. Brilliant. There we go. Okay, so what do we get here? Oh, fantastic. So this is just a coating to keep it clear, keep it shiny rather. So there's an arrow, oh, several arrows, even more arrows. There's a cross. I suppose that's a chevrons, yeah. I was thinking, why have they got an L in there? That's good, it's my name, but no, they're chevrons, aren't they? Some more X's, an ampersand, another little arrow, and a big arrow. Yeah, fantastic they are. Then there's this. This is the Simple Stories Bliss sticker sheets. 8 4x6 sticker sheets. I'm not sure about this actually. They look a little bit small, but let's have a look. And they're kind of matte. There isn't much of a sheen to them, which is nice. I do love the colours. I can see why she picked them because they really do match. Look at that cloud. That cloud is ace. So we've got those. Oh no, I'm sold. That's it. That page is good enough to sell me on these stickers. So there's hundreds of little words, well not hundreds, but lots and lots and lots of them. I hope you can see those. Make some all smile today. Do what makes your soul smile. Love those, really like those. Then we've got these. I like these as well. I've got some more of the I Am, the Simple Stories I Am sets. So they're going to go nicely with it. And then we've got squares. What are they? Let's look how wide they are. Just do a measurement. Oh, just over an inch. Nice. And then we've got some more. Love the little bicycle. And I'm quite liking the bee. So these are a bit more planner focused. I think these ones, things like Happy Day, get it done. But that's okay. I've got a planner. I can use them in those. Some nice words. Like the yay. I do like it when they put little stars and hearts and things to fill in the spaces because they're really useful. And some more squares. Yeah, like it. Liking the birdie. So that's that set. That's my favourite page. So I'm going to put that facing upwards. There we go. And then this is the final bit, and this is fantastic. This is Heidi Swap mini messages booklet. Again, it's called Let's Flamingo, and it's a little booklet. Now, I'm already loving the cover actually, and the inside of the cover. And then what you've got in here is a set of, let's just look how many it says, 16 cards. So there's 2 on each page, and they match that flamingo paper brilliantly. And they are, again, let's do a measurement. 4 by 4, I think. Yeah, 4 by 4 inches, double-sided. Oh, I'm loving the tail, bit of a mermaid. And they're perforated, so they can come out quite easily. Half of me thinks that's fantastic, and I'll take them out. The other half of me wants to use that as like a little travel notebook. But I think they're probably, I'd need to reinforce where the perforations are to do that. So I'm not quite sure about that. But I love it. Just think it's fantastic. Right, so that's my kit. That's this month's kit from Mind the Scrap, or next month's rather, my kit. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.